BabyFirst TV,
Hello, Notekins. Let's play hide and seek with musical sounds. Ready? Cover your eyes. Do you know the sound? That's right, a barking dog. Cover your eyes again. What is that sound? Did you guess train? Great. Cover your eyes. What is this beautiful sound? Very good. We hear the violin playing. Wow, that's a loud one. This is the sound of thunder. Hurry up, Notekins. It will start raining. Do you hear the rain? You better get home.
4. Visit www.babyfirsttv.com. The first site for little ones.